Today we are cleaning, decluttering, decorating, basically organizing and preparing your home for Christmas. So stay tuned. Hello and welcome back to my channel. It has been a week. We have been busy here cleaning, decluttering, getting our home ready for Christmas. I know it's a little bit early. Starting now is great because then everything is ready when we're in full decorating mode so that our house is clean and tidy and there's nothing else to do but all the fun decorating. Now I do a little bit of decorating in this video and I'm taking you along with me as I go through all the cleaning and decluttering, but it is sort of minimal yet. We'll add more decorations as we get closer to Christmas. We skipped over the stockings, for example, and we'll save that for closer to the day, but we did hang up a few things and bring out some of our favorites like my Christmas mugs, my tea towels, things like that sort of get you in the Christmas spirit for when December comes. With my children home a little bit more this year, we tend to have more of a mess around the house. Now, with 7 people living here, I have 6 children, one of them's at university, but I still have 5 of them home, and the house can get pretty messy, especially on the weekend. So starting on Monday, it was cleaning time. I wanted to reset the house, get it back to where I like to have it any time of the year before I started all the extra preparations for Christmas. My kitchen can get crazy, dirty, messy, really fast, really easily, and it just takes one meal and it's a disaster. When you're cooking for 7 people, especially if it's my husband cooking, then it gets dirty so fast. So let's start in the kitchen. Next up is our dining room, living room. There wasn't a lot of stuff here, but there's some hockey gear, some laundry, some things that I just wanted to tidy up and put away so the house looks neater and a little bit more inviting.
The herald angels sing, glory to the newborn King. Peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Joyful all ye nations rise, join the triumph of the skies. With angelic host proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem.
The next thing I did was to declutter. Now I don't just mean going through your belongings and taking stuff out that you're not using, putting them in a bag and bringing them to Goodwill. That's a great start, but there's more to it than that. When you bring out your Christmas decorations, they take up a lot of room. And if you have other decorations that are out as well, things can get really cluttered really fast. Not to mention people putting things down on countertops and other flat surfaces. Your house can get out of control. If it's anything like mine, it can get out of control and messy really fast. So what I usually do is I take the everyday decorations and I'll put them away in the Christmas boxes when I take out the Christmas decorations. That way it's just Christmas decorations, there's less stuff on the flat surfaces, so the house is less likely to get messy fast. It makes it easier to clean and keep tidy when you hide all the excess and just have the Christmas stuff. Maybe you're like me and by the end of the Christmas season, when you see your Christmas decorations, it just starts to look like clutter and you can't wait to get rid of it. If that's you, then we can try to prevent this by putting all the regular stuff away and just have Christmas so that it doesn't look so much like clutter because it's not extra. It's just sort of replacing the other stuff temporarily so it's less likely to get cluttered. Of course, we did go through my kids' toys, some of their clothes, and other things so that would make room for more gifts. This lets my kids know what they have. Sometimes they forget what they have if it gets shuffled down to the bottom of a toy box, so they're not asking for the same type of thing over and over. If you have ideas of what you're going to give them yet, or maybe they have a wish list already, I know my kids start really early with the wish lists, but if you know sort of what they want, the size of the gifts or the type of gifts, you can get rid of things that they're not using anymore that are the same size or the same type so that they can sort of get replaced by the new things coming in. This goes for adults as well. Go through your closet, go through things that you're not using anymore, maybe in your kitchen, your craft room. Yeah, there's a lot of stuff in here. I did do a declutter and I will link that video here, but I still need to do a little bit more.
Meanwhile, let's just get some decluttering done for Christmas.
Then it's time to decorate. It's still really early, so we're only putting out minimal things. Here in Luxembourg, St. Nicholas is really, really important. So a lot of the children get their main gift on December 6th. So we put out a lot of the St. Nicholas decorations first. And you can see I have a lot of children's artwork, a lot of projects that they have done at school. And a lot of times these aren't the greatest decorations, but I've found that since Pinterest came into the picture, there tends to be a lot less toilet paper roll projects, less macaroni type things, and more decorations that I really like having in my home. I display them because my children made them, but actually I really enjoy the things that they've made. They look really nice, and the kids are really proud to see them displayed as well. If you are enjoying this video so far, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. I've got more Christmas videos coming up for you, as well as planner videos to prepare you for 2020. So make sure you hit that notification bell as well, so you don't miss any of these videos.
Okay, let's get back into it. Now it's time for the fun part. Let's decorate.
Fantastic. It's ready for Christmas. I've got my Christmas mugs out. My kitchen looks cute with my tea towels, and I'm really starting to get into the Christmas spirit. I hope this video motivated you to start getting your home ready for Christmas as well, so it'll be a little bit easier for you once December comes. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Next week, I'm sharing with you my 5 favorite planners for 2021. And coming up in a couple of weeks, I have an Amazon Planner Girl gift guide. So if you have a Planner Girl on your gift list, or you can share this with someone buying you a gift. If you'd like help planning your Christmas, then I have a fantastic printable planner that you can get right now so you can start planning your Christmas. It's a printable planner, so check the link in the description below and get yours today. So you can subscribe here by clicking on my little face. Here are 2 more videos that I think you'll like. Ooh, these are both really good ones. Make sure you watch both of them. Have a fantastic day and happy planning.